In this video, let's talk about the wheel spacers affect handling. Let's get it! If you are going to install wheel spacers, you need to install the extending wheel bolt. The length of extending wheel bolt unit is the thickness of the spacer plus the stock bolt length. Half-century spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are half-century. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. Half-century wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced. We recommend the use of half-century spacers or half-century rings. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide the higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And the bonus wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. Spacers are installed between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly, and it can locate the wheel further away from the wheel hub assembly rotor, widening the track weaving. This in turn improves the amount of road holding that your wheels have in sharp corners, making the vehicle more stable. Again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.